self-care has been kind of reduced to, restfulness or indulgence, or like, oh, let me do my skincare, let me go for a massage. And while that's a vital part of it, but that's not it. I wonder how would you like to comment on that, as a rigorous physical discipline as a way of self-care?
Uh, See, one of the reasons why we have so many issues with our emotions and even our physical health and the way in which we are aging is because we are simply not moving as much as we used to. Like if you look at the way humans have evolved, we used to move a lot more, even like just say 2 generations back, women used to squat and make the flour. People used to walk distances. We used to make our own tools and weapons. So, movement is a very important part of self-care. Activity, being active throughout the day. Nowadays, unfortunately, self-care has kind of become equal to having privilege. Like you don't need to. It need not be indulgent thing. You don't need to invest so much of money into self-care. Self-care is actually a very simple thing. And the thing is also that no one is telling us that you kind of in earlier times people earned self-care through their hard work, whether they worked in the fields, whether they walked so much, whether they, in terms of cooking and how the life was, they earned their self-care. That's what festivals were about. Festivals were about self-care, right? But now self-care has become something to distract yourself from what really needs attention in your life. It's also become something that you exhibit on social media. It's become a way for different products and services to talk about themselves.
Yes.
But actually self-care is a very simple thing. A walk in the park, or reading a book, or having maybe a good sleep, and of course moving.